Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of the imKey HeirBOX S1. That's an indestructible crypto seed phrase storage. It's compatible with the BIP39 standard, supports 12, 18 and 24 seed words. It's compatible with Ledger, Trezor, and of course it's also compatible with the imKey Pro hardware wallet. imKey has two indestructible storage sets. They have the S1, which is more the beginner's set, and they have also the P1, which is more the professional set, which has much more possibilities, where you can also store some private keys and much more. But if you just want to store your seed words in a super safe place, then that's perfect for you. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how to use it. And so here's the box. Here again the imKey Pro, the cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Awesome combination, but at the moment we are looking at the imKey HeirBOX S1. And so here we get these storage plates. So from outside they are fully protected, but we can open them very easily. And so we have the one side, the A, and we have also the other side, the B. And we get all the letters. You can see from A to C, a lot of them. And on the other side, we have even much more. And we get also a screwdriver in the set and some replacement screws. And so we can remove the screws here. So we can shift this plate to the side, and then we push out the letters which we need from the back. You can see very easy. So we put them here inside. For example, a C, we can also push it to the back. We remove this one here as well. They are a little bit attached to the plate, but not much. Doesn't need a tool to remove. Let's say we need to store the word accept. Of course, then we need another C. Let's take it here. And then an E. Let's take it here as well. And now, of course, you can see that every field here is limited to 4 characters. Why is that? This is because all the 2048 seed words which are listed in the BIP39 standard have different first 4 characters. So it's enough to store only 4 of them. That's perfect. You don't need more than that. And so you can continue, take the first 4 letters of the second word, first 4 letters of the third word, and so on and so on. You can see you can store a 12-word seed phrase here on one side. And when we are finished, we close it here. You can see easily readable. We can also see that's the first word, second, third, fourth. And when we need to store more, for example, for a 24 seed phrase, then we can continue here on the plate number 2 or B. And after that we secure it again with these screws, of course all of the screws, and then we can close it, and you can even lock it here. Just put the normal standard 3 or 4 digit lock here around, and you have some additional safety. You can also switch some letters or words, but of course you have to be careful, because if you don't remember what you have been doing, then you won't be able to recover your wallet. But I would say it's a really nice thing, really beautiful, sturdy, virtually indestructible, comes with everything what we need as a complete set. And so for me, it's a very good solution, I would say. Of course, we cannot really put these letters back. I've already tried it. You can push it here inside, but it's very loose and it's prone to fall out again if you want to store something else, but that's usually not what you're doing. But of course, you could just store these letters then here inside or in a small plastic bag or so. When I compare this solution to other solutions, like where you have to hammer in some letters into steel plate, then that's the much better solution. Definitely for me, much easier to do, much more flexible. And if you have done something wrong, you can easily correct it. So I would say that's the way to go. And so I can give you a full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down a link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.